Hello friends, it's Osama from Spy, and today we are going to talk about the installation of Python. Now to install the Python, first open your web browser and now type Python in Google. After typing the Python, press enter. It will open the Google. Here, click on the first result. It will open the official Python site. So, when the website has been opened, you can see different tabs. In these tabs, you will see a tab of download. Here you can download for Mac OS, for Windows and different operating systems. As we are downloading the Python for Windows, so we will click on download for Windows. Here you can see Python version 3 and version 2. Python version 2 is an older version of Python version 3. So we will be downloading Python version 3.7. Hence we will click on the Python version 3.7 download. Here in the new tab, you will see different options of downloading Python version 3. You can download it in zip file and also the installer. The size of this version is very small. We will click on the version and it will start downloading. It will be downloaded in couple of minutes depending on the internet speed. We will wait for it to download. Now, after the file has been downloaded, we will open the folder. We will click on the setup of the file. There will be many other supportive files, but we will click the active file. It will open the installer. We will click on the install now. Now the setup will start the installation procedure. All we have to do is sit back and wait for the Python to install and set up for complete the installation procedure. As you can see that the Python has been successfully installed. Now what we need is to test the Python and see if it is working fine. So now we will be closing this setup. We will be closing all the windows. Now we will be learning how to launch the Python IDLE platform. For this we will have to open the search engine, click on the Windows. As we know that we have recently installed Python, so in recently installed IDLE is there. We will be clicking on the shell. As it is the first time, so it will take some time to open up. After some time, the Python shell will appear. So here is the Python shell. Now we will create a simple program to test if Python is working fine. We will be printing a statement on screen. If the statement is printed on screen, it means that the program is working fine. We will be discussing the print statement in the next video. If you want to learn Python from scratch, you have to subscribe to this channel. So now we will press enter. Yes, as we can see that the statement has been printed, it means that Python has been successfully installed. That's all for today friends. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel and comment on this video. Also share this with your friends. Thanks a lot. See you next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.